Is your Porsche Panamera key fob not working reliably? A dead or weak battery is the most common cause. This video shows you how to easily replace the battery in your 2010-2017 Panamera key fob, saving you time and money compared to a dealership visit. We'll cover everything step by step. Your 2010-2017 Porsche Panamera key fob uses a CR2032 3-volt lithium coin cell battery. These are widely available at drugstores, supermarkets, and online retailers. While CR2025 batteries may fit physically, they are not recommended due to their slightly lower voltage output. Using the correct CR2032 battery ensures optimal performance and longevity of your key fob. Look for OEM batteries to avoid signal interference and ensure reliable operation. You'll only need a couple of simple tools for this replacement. A small flathead screwdriver or a plastic pry tool is necessary to open the key fob casing without causing damage. A non-conductive surface is also recommended to prevent static discharge, which could harm the fob's electronics. No other specialized equipment is required. First, locate the release button or seam on your key fob. Insert the flathead screwdriver or pry tool into the seam. Gently twist or pry to separate the two halves of the fob. Be careful not to apply excessive force, as this could damage the plastic casing. Work slowly and methodically to avoid cracking or breaking the fob. Once the fob is open, you'll see the CR2032 battery. Note the battery's polarity with positive and negative markings. Use the screwdriver or pry tool to gently remove the old battery. Insert the new CR2032 battery, ensuring the polarity matches the markings in the fob. Improper polarity can cause the key fob to not function and could require dealer reset. Always double-check before reassembling. Carefully align the two halves of the key fob and snap them back together. Ensure the casing is fully closed and secure. Once reassembled, test the key fob by pressing the buttons for locking, unlocking, and the panic alarm. If the car doesn't recognize the fob, it might need reprogramming at the dealership. If your key fob doesn't work after battery replacement, start by double-checking the battery polarity. Ensure the positive and negative sides are oriented correctly. Verify you're using a fresh CR2032 battery that's fully charged. Common mistakes include using the wrong battery type, applying too much force when prying open the fob, which can damage the casing or internals, and neglecting to clean corroded battery contacts. Also check for worn rubber gaskets that might allow water ingress. If problems persist after these checks, the fob may need dealer reprogramming to restore functionality. To extend the life of your key fob, avoid exposing it to extreme temperatures or moisture. Consider applying sealant during reassembly to prevent water ingress, especially if the rubber gasket is worn. Automotive key technology is shifting towards battery-free and app-based systems, but for now, regular battery replacement is essential for older models like the 2010-2017 Panamera. Consider aftermarket smart key fobs with Bluetooth.